you ever made your own homemade kimchi? It's actually pretty easy and pretty forgiving, especially if you're a newbie to fermenting vegetables. And it's a great way to get greens in. So we got some Napa cabbage here that I soaked and drained. And I like a lot of daikon here, which I soaked in some salt water for about 30 minutes. And here, everyone's kimchi is a little bit different, but mine's a fish-free one. So we've got red pepper flakes, ginger, garlic, a little bit of sugar in there. So pretty simple version. Some people put green onions, other ingredients in there depending on their taste. Some people use fermented shrimp or a fish sauce, but I decided to leave that out for this time. You put this into here, massage it in, make sure it's all well incorporated. Then it goes into a clean container. You leave it out for a day or half a day, depending on the room temperature, to let the fermentation start, and then you're good to go. Pop it in the fridge and it continues to get sour over time, and enjoy. All right, let's mix it up. So now that everything's mixed up, I'm gonna put it in a container. So you wanna make sure that you leave some space at the top and make sure you pack it down tight, get rid of any air bubbles. And it's important to do that to make sure that there's space for all the fermentation process to happen.